Braised fish with pepper and boiled mustard greens is a traditional dish familiar in many Vietnamese families' meals. With the salty taste of fish sauce, the spicy taste of pepper, and the natural sweetness of fish, when combined with green boiled mustard greens, the dish becomes more complete with the balance between protein and vegetables, creating a meal that is both delicious and good for your health. This dish not only brings delicious flavor but also reminds you of warm family meals.
Ingredients to prepare: 300 grams of clean snakehead fish, head and intestines removed. Wash the fish with diluted salt water and lemon, drain. 1/2 heart-shaped cabbage, washed and cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 garlic bulb and 2 shallots, minced. 2 chopped onions, sliced red peppers add a little spiciness to the braised dish to make it more attractive. Olive oil, fish sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste.
How to make: marinate the fish with shallots, garlic, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, a little pepper and chili. Let the fish absorb the spices for about 10 minutes. Braise the fish, heat the pot with 2 tablespoons cooking oil, add shallots and garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add the marinated fish to the pot, stir gently to firm the fish. Add the remaining fish sauce, caramel, sugar and pepper to the pot. Stir well, add boiling water to cover the fish, bring to a boil then reduce the heat. Simmer the fish for about 15 minutes until the sauce thickens and the fish is tender and well seasoned. Sprinkle more shallots and a little pepper on top to enhance the flavor, turn off the heat. Boil the vegetables, boil a pot of water, add a little salt. When the water boils, add the greens and boil quickly for about 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still green and crispy.
Enjoy! Braised fish with pepper can be eaten with hot white rice, combined with boiled greens to create a complete meal. The rich flavor of braised fish with pepper blends with the freshness of boiled greens, creating a sense of harmony and balance. The dish is not only delicious but also nutritious, suitable for all ages in the family. In addition, the characteristic flavor of pepper and fish sauce in the braised fish dish will remind you of warm family meals, full of the homeland. Boiled greens retain their natural sweetness, helping to relieve boredom and add fiber to the body. The special thing about this dish is not only the rich flavor of braised fish with pepper blends with the freshness of boiled greens, but also the simplicity in the preparation, bringing an irresistible appeal to family meals.
Quá ngon, tuyệt. Ok.